Arutwo arĩa maikarĩire kĩgerio gĩa KCPE mwaka mũhĩtũku rĩu marĩ na ũhoti wa kũmenya thukuru ĩrĩa megũthomera ya thekondarĩ. Ũũ nĩ thutha wa minista wa mathomo bũrũri-inĩ Ezekiel Machogu kũheana namba ya kũhũthĩra kũrora ĩrĩa arutwo magũtũma namba yao ya index number kũrĩ 2223.
I welcome you all to the release of the Form 1 placement results for candidates who sat their 2022 Kenya Certificate of Primary Education Examination.
Akĩaria hĩndĩ ya kũheana namba ĩno, Machogu nĩ aheanĩte mũkana kũrĩ arutani anene a thukuru cia thekondarĩ arĩa marĩ na rĩciria rĩa kuongerera bithi, gũkũ akĩheana mũigana wa bithi ĩrĩa ĩrĩrĩhagwo o mwaka kũringana na gĩkĩro kĩa thukuru.
His Excellency the President of the Republic of Kenya, Dr. William Samoei Ruto, has directed that the National Treasury set aside 15,000 per annum as capitation to facilitate free running in all our public schools. In total, the government will spend Kenya shillings 9.6 billion for the runners in a junior secondary school this calendar year. It therefore means that no school should charge any fees for grade 7 runners unless such schools are reporting wings. I want to repeat, as you are aware, the amount that the government has been giving for secondary schools in the form of capitation is 22,244. And for primary, the amount of capitation that the government has been giving is 1,420. So because junior secondary, that is from grade 7, 8 and 9, is actually secondary, we have worked on a figure, and His Excellency the President did accept and agree with that figure, that the amount which will be given per student is 15,000, almost equal to what is given to senior secondary, because senior secondary, they will continue getting the amount they are getting, which is 22,244. Prohibition of public schools from charging any admission fee for any grade 7 runner due to the 100% transition policy in the same school where the runners were enrolled in grade 6. And this one will repeat that there will be no school fees payable in any of our public schools, because you know that this is the constitutional requirement that the basic education, primary to secondary, is compulsory and free.
Nĩ athiĩte na mbere na kuga atĩ nĩguo gũkinyanĩria gĩkĩro kĩa gĩcunjĩ kĩa 100% harĩ kũhĩtũka kwa arutwo, he bata mũrutwo o wothe waikarĩire kĩgerio kĩu kũgĩa na kamweke ga kũingĩra thukuru cia thekondarĩ.
No, the government 100% transition policy, and the government is committed to ensure that each and every runner progresses from primary to secondary school. To address barriers to secondary education, the Ministry will continue working with the Ministry of Interior and the coordination of national government to facilitate the enrollment of every child in secondary school.
Kũrĩ arutwo arĩa maraingĩra thukuru cia junior secondary kuma tarĩki 30 mweri ũyũ tũrĩ wa Januari, minista ũyũ nĩ augĩte atĩ nĩ megũbatara gũkorwo marĩ na uniform ngũrani na cia arĩa angĩ a kĩrathi kĩa 6 gũcoka na thĩ nĩguo kũmakũrana wega marĩ thukuru.
Though runners join grade 7 in the schools where they were enrolled in grade 6, there is need to distinguish the junior secondary school section. As a result, a decision has been made that parents and the boards of management agree on the new uniforms for junior secondary school runners.
Gĩthiĩ na mbere na gũkũmathĩra marĩa marathi na mbere na gũkunũka gũkũ bũrũri-inĩ megiĩ mathomo, njĩtagwo Njoki wa Maina.